What is up? Charles Wagner, Midnight Madness 4x4 here, and today I want to talk to you about what is Tuff Truck Racing. Now, before I begin, if this is your first time here, consider subscribing so that you'll get more videos like this one, along with my Tuff Truck, Mud Truck, and Monster Truck coverage as soon as they come out. And if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and crush that like button. Alright, so with that out of the way, what is Tuff Truck Racing? Tuff Truck Racing is an affordable form of off-road racing that is ran all over the country. And yes, even cars and vans can participate as well. And not only that, other vehicles are starting to join the party as well, such as UTVs and Ultra 4 cars, just to name a couple. Tuff Trucks is ran all over the country, and just to give you an idea on where you can find a event, I'm from Pennsylvania, and I've been to shows in Maryland, Ohio, West Virginia, New York, New Jersey, North Carolina, and even went as far as Toronto to run at an event. When it comes to the weather at a Tuff Truck event, if it rains or thunderstorms, most events will cancel or delay the show or even reschedule. But as a driver, we prefer to run in the mud if it rains. We love it. When it comes to the classes at a Tuff Truck event, most events, at least in my area, will do it one of two ways. One, they will either have a stock class and a modified class, or they will separate the two-wheel drive and four-wheel drives into their own classes in the stock class. And then sometimes they will even have a modified class in which the two-wheel drives and four-wheel drives will also be welcome to enter. Personally, I have a vehicle for each class. In the two-wheel drive class, I have a 1991 Volkswagen Golf GTI. For the four-wheel drive class, I have a 1978 Jeep CJ7 with an AMC V8 and a 1992 Jeep Cherokee with a 4.0 inline 6. And for the modified class, my friend Brad and I are currently in the process of working on a 1998 Dodge Ram 1500 with a 5.9 360. When it comes to Tuff Trucks and the stock class, there are mainly two vehicles that are the most competitive out of all of the vehicles that run the stock class, and those two vehicles are the Jeep Cherokee and the Ford Ranger. And when I say they are the most competitive in the stock class, I'm talking about both four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive. And yes, the stock class guys can beat the modified guys. In fact, I have seen a 500 plus horsepower modified Tuff Truck lose to a stock class Subaru Brat with less than 100 horsepower. And not only that, here's the video. Alright, that is Tuff Truck Racing. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below, and I'll respond to them as soon as I possibly can. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace!